Circle jerk. That's what most of these gurus are doing. They're selling you a course for $2,500, high ticket affiliate marketing. Then you turn around and the course is actually the high ticket product that you resell. It's a big circle jerk. Now, I created a YouTube channel that shows you exactly how to make money online, and it's free training. It's on YouTube. I'll put it right up here. Now, my mentor, he made $280,000 in 16 months with this exact product I'm using. The product's $25. You can use whatever product you want. You can use ClickBank, whatever. You just plug and play. Whatever I say $25 product, you take your own product and plug in if you want to. But it's free training, and I got it on YouTube day 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. It's amazing. But y'all are gonna probably scroll by and looking at some women twerking or some stupid ass dance. But I just wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. I mean, it's for free. It's on YouTube. You don't have to pay for the course, and you can use whatever product you want to. Let's see how many people go and check that out. That's a new challenge. It's called Education Challenge. Let's see how many people want to make money online and quit their full-time job that they hate and probably despise going to. Probably it's 6 a.m. probably in the next 30 minutes or so. So y'all go check that out. It's for free. I'll put it up there. Make a change in your life. It's not, you got to participate in your own rescue. I'll catch y'all later, guys.